everyone, dear friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to make easy paper watch. Let's start. For this, we need colorful pastel sheets to make a watch. I have to cut it by 15 centimeter. Let's do it. I took the size of the paper. Now I'm cutting it. Now I'm going to make this paper into a triangle shape. First we need to make a triangle. Then do like this. Then put another triangle. Put another triangle. Now I have to cut it. Now I'm going to fold the paper again. Then fold it again. Now I'm going to cut this another paper 7.5 by 15 centimeter. Now we're going to cut it. Done. I'm going to fold this paper into a square shape. Like this. Then up like this. Then make it like this. I'm going to cut this paper. Now this paper become a diamond shape. Look. Put this. I'm cutting this paper. Look at this. Look at this tiny cat I made and this timer. Now I'm going to put it. First I will put the cat. Now the timer. Ta-da! This watch is ready. Now I'm going to show you.